Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 2006 Chrysler 300 SRT8, 6.1 liter Hemi underneath the hood. This car is extremely fast. Definitely plenty of power to tote the kids around. Got a K&N air filter, and that is pretty stock. It has some sort of an exhaust on. It sounds evil. It's got a nice ring to it. Oh, it's got Flowmasters on it. That explains it. Black interior, it's gorgeous. SRT hand stitched logo there.
Worried about how customer base might. Right, and the Wall Street Journal reported last week
95,530 miles. There is a check engine light, and I don't know what that light is.
That's right. JB Diamond raised this in a meeting with Richard.
Runs great though. I don't know what the problem is with that.
Now, one other concern is that
it runs fantastic. CD up front, all stock, dual climate zones, everything works perfect, and heated seats.
But they continue to be getting sent data requests from these people, and consumers might not be.
Back seat's beautiful. It's never been sat in. .1 liter Hemi under the hood. Runs perfect. K&N air filter. Got the stock manifolds on it. It was a little drizzly. It just started to drizzle, but let me see if I can find any flaws in the paint. Looks like there's a little chip here. Actually, that's just wax. Little chip by the gas tank. Actually, that's just wax. A slight dent, you can barely see it. A little ding. It's got rear sonar as well. Wax. Getting lucky. Rims look great too. No curb rash. Little tiny scratch here. You can barely see it. One here as well. Starts here and ends there. Minor chips on the hood. Just from road rashing. It does have 95,000 miles. Other than that, the front looks pretty nice. Oh, one little spider crack here. Rims look fantastic. Brembo stopped this thing real nice too. Slotted Brembos all the way around. Interior is mint. Can't really say anything negative about that.
It's a whole bunch of collectors all fighting for the same thing. That's how auctions work, right?
This thing is juicy. Just wants to light the tires up. It's so fast. That's a seatbelt. Runs and drives fantastic. Real nice car. Stops straight. Feels good. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. We offer worldwide shipping and financing, so give us a buzz. We'll make it real easy for you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.